my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing so far? God is good. God is good. And to my viewers and my subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. You are my family. You are my friend. You are everything to me. Alright? I hope all is well. Alright guys, my subscribers, my viewers, I love you all. Okay? And remember to put God first. And how is it going so far? Just let me know where you're watching me from. Alright? Today now I'm going to cook some soup. As usual, the place is so cold. And the outside is cold. Inside not too bad, but we have to keep our stomach warm because of the winter. So today I'm going to cook some vegetable soup. Alright, so watch as I go. Yes, can you see guys? I have my flour, cornmeal and flour. And I have to put my salt in already. Over here I have a piece of yam. I have a chocho. Okay guys, I have a white cocoa that I bought at the store. All of these. I have turnip, and also I have my squash. This is my squash, and I have, it's just vegetable soup today. Okay, and this is my broccoli that I bought at the store. All right, and I have for my other veggies now. Let me show you what I have here. I put it in some water. Can you see? Okay. I have my spinach. Spinach today. Yeah, we have spinach. I put them in the water. Okay. And I have my, what else do I have? I have my other veggies here. Okay. Checking whatever I have. Spinach. Okay, and this one here, I don't remember the name of it. Can you remind me the name of it? Okay, so I have it here in my water, and also I have kale. The kale is frozen though. I have kale here. This is my kale. It's frozen. Wash and everything, and I frozen it because when you put it at the bottom of the stove of the fridge, it tends to spoil very quickly. So what I do when I buy it at the store, I frozen it. Okay, all right. And I have, this is my pot noodle. Also I have 2 fingers of banana and a piece of yam, and that's it. I'm going to make vegetable soup this morning to keep our stomach warm in the house. All right, I know you must be saying, why you love cook soup, sir? But the soup keep us warm. Keep us warm our stomach. All right, that's why I cook soup so often. And sometimes I cook soup today, I leave some for tomorrow. So sometimes, most time it's for 2 days. All right, that keep us together. All right, so watch the process as I go. My pot is over there on the stove, so I'm going to peel my food and let you see. All right, so this is my turnip. And I also have some okra. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in there. I like to just cook my okra like that and eat. So I'm not sure. Okay, so watch the process as I peel my food. Okay guys. And then I'm going to cut it like this, and you can cut it smaller if you want. Let's turn it. And it's raining on the outside now. It's raining. Out there is very cold. You can see? Okay, guys. And for those who don't know turnip, this is turnip. Which is just green vegetable today. Okay, and guys, green vegetables are good for us. And I have my white cocoa. I don't know if it's even good. Still going to cook. And what are you cooking today? Let me know what you're cooking. Just let me know what is happening. So watch the process. This is not so proper, but that's it. And I have my water over there boiling away, waiting on me. See? Let me turn the camera for you to see some more, guys. Okay. Right, so this is it. I started to scrape this already, that's why it looked like this. But it doesn't matter. I like to cut them big, but I can eat it big. And you can cut them to the size. You can see? You have to be careful with the knife. See? And I have a piece over here also. So that's it. I'm not going to cut them small today. You can see? And this is very good, very good. It's very good. No starch in there in my chocho, no starch. So I just cut it big like this. So when I cook it, I can just eat it like that. But if you want to cut it very small, sometimes I cut it very small, you can cut it small. See my pot over here, guys? My water is all boiling, alright? So I have my food wash. You can see, this is my food. I don't have anyone to use the camera, so I have to use it myself. That's why I don't show you how I wash it, but I already wash. You can see, this is my food. Stay there and boil. I'm going to put this last in my pot, okay? And the one I was trying to remember, this one, guys, it's pop choy. I just remember the name. Pop choy, broccoli, and spinach. Okay, that's my vegetable soup. So I'm making my dumpling now to put in my pot. Okay, guys, so watch the process as I do my vegetable soup. And let me know if you drink vegetable soup. Okay, guys, it's very good. Vegetable soup is very good. Okay, so sometimes I do a little veggie soup. Okay, so watch the process as I do. So I'm gonna put my dumplings in. Okay, and then after I put my veggies for the last. That's my vegetable soup, guys. See? have some hot water to put in. Okay, so I'm going to put my veggie in now. This is my veggie. Okay, let me show you a bit better. That's my veggie. Okay, guys. This is my pop choy. Camera up a bit. You can see. Veggie pot, you can see. Okay, so you're going to stay there, and boy, my soup. Watch the process as I go, guys. These are soft, so they win in no time. But I did not put my broccoli in because broccoli can cook very soft in no time. It cook very quick. Okay, so after when I put in my seasoning, I put my broccoli in. Okay, guys. So watch the process as I put my veggie soup. Okay, guys. Watch it as I go. See, guys, got it. Let's get in there. I put my chicken noodle in already. Okay, so watch as I go. I'll be finishing in the next 5 minutes or so. Okay, just I'm gonna put some scallion in, and it need nothing more. All right, but whenever you're cooking, you put whatever you want to put in it. Okay, love you guys. Scallion. And I'm going to put my broccoli in now. Okay, guys? So watch this I go. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for viewing my videos. And as I say, you put whatever you want to put in it. Okay? I'm not going to put no butter nor nothing, no margarine, nothing. No, maybe just a little spice. 1 second. I put a little slap your mama in it. That's it. You want to put your own spice in it and make it spicy, but I don't need to make mine spicy. That's quite okay. So watch the process as I go, guys. Wow, look on the outside, guys. If you could see outside, it's snowing on the outside. Lots of snow. So this is my finish vegetable soup. Okay, and if you want to put a little piece of meat in it, that's okay. Just make it veggies, mostly veggies. All right, but this is my finished product. And again, you put whatever spice you want to put in it. I don't put a lot of seasonings. It's just veggies. So you take care of yourself, guys. Love you. Thank you for subscribing. Whoever want, you can come over and get some of my veggie soup. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day. All right, just keep warm. If you are in these countries where we have the winter season, wow, outside is not so pretty. A lot of snow, you can see it at the window. All right, you take care. Have a blessed day. Continue to be good to yourself. Bye bye. Love you. And tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.